Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Moises Audio on laptop. In this video I'll show you step by step from absolute beginner level. We'll cover what Moises Audio is, how to open it, how to upload songs, separate vocals, so make sure watch till the end because this is a complete guide and by the end of the video you'll know how to use Moises like a pro. So let's get started. So first, Moises Audio is an AI powered music tool that helps you separate vocals and instruments from any song. Practice music easily, remove vocals for karaoke, isolate drums, bass, guitar, piano and more. Detect chords automatically, and it's widely used by the singers, guitarists, pianists, music teachers and other producers. And the best part is you can use it directly in a web browser on your laptop, no software installation needed. So now let's open to this Moises Audio on laptop. So first you need to open any of the web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari or Firefox, and in the search bar top you need to type down Moises Audio and enter it. And over here on the top, this is the official Moises website. Select to this Moises app here, and once the website loads you'll see the option to log in or the sign up. In the top right over here, simply select the sign up, but if you already have login to your Moises previously logged in, you can select to this login and put down the credentials, as I'm going to select the sign up over here. So if you want to create a free account with your Google, Facebook, Apple or Twitter, you can simply select any of the option over here, but if you want to continue with the email, you can have these choices as well. Type down your email and create a password. And over here, if you want Moises to send news and marketing from the Moises, select the small icon over here and select sign up for free. Over here, after logging in, you land on the Moises dashboard where all your uploaded song will appear, and this is your main workspace. And over here you'll learn and practice any song, AI acceleration, music production, store and collaborate with your music, organize and collaborate with others. And if you want to get started with music, over here you can do that. And just beside it over here we can see your AI stem generation. If you want to choose the drum, bass, guitar and others, you can also choose the preference. You can also choose a preference and click to this process, and Moises will now use AI to analyze the song. This may take a few seconds to a minute depending on a song length. Over here you can find the tons of songs as well. And over here, if you want to invite any of this artist, you can simply click onto this artist over here. And once the processing is complete, your song opens in this editor screen. Here you'll see the different instrument tracks, volume sliders for each time play and pause control as well. You can mute your vocals, solo instrument, lower backgrounds, practice singing or playing song. For example, you can mute your vocals, you can solo drums, you can mute everything except the guitar as well, and everything works in real time. And one of the most powerful feature of the Moises is the automatic chord detection. Over here on the plus upload icon here, the upload icon allows you to add a song from your laptop, upload audio files like MP3, WAV or MP4. Over here, click over this icon here, select drop or select up to 5 files here. You can select up to 5 files. And over here you can select any of this file that you want to put it on. So I'm going to choose one of the MP3 here as well. And after you're done, you can select to the submit. If you want the vocal instrument in this MP3, you can select that. You can also custom separate your vocal, guitar, bass, drum as per your preference. And if you want any of the download dialogue soundtrack effects, you can do that as well, which is currently locked. And over here we can see there's a hi-fi. It ensures that your audio file stays in high quality 48K Z 24-bit and available to export uncompressed lossless WAV format. If you want to toggle it on, you can simply toggle it on. If you do not prefer, so toggle it off. And after you're done, you can select submit over here. So over here on the top left, there's a track separation. Track separation is the main feature of the Moises. It uses AI, artificial intelligence, to split one song into different parts called stems. For example, vocal, drum, bass, guitar, piano or the instrument. Normally all the sounds are mixed together. Moises separated them so you can control each sound individually. In this track separation, when you select to this track separation, you can select any of the song which has already been uploaded here. And over here you can select a song from your laptop. Moises will ask what do you want to separate. Here you can choose your vocal, your drum, voices, how much you want to sound to be increased or decreased. Here you can bass and other system as well. And after processing, you'll see if you want to mute, you can simply slide it. You can simply slide it all the way to the bottom to mute it as well. And this track is muted. And why it is useful? Because to remove vocals and practice, isolate instruments, make karaoke or the remixes. And what an AI studio. And over here we can see there's an AI studio. It is where Moises advanced AI tools live. Think of it as a smart workspace where Moises analyzes music deeply, improves sound quality, applies intelligent processing, and it's just not spitting audio, it's understanding the song. And how to use it is after you click onto this Auto AI Studio here. After uploading a track, Moises automatically applies AI Studio features. You do not need technical knowledge. AI Studio work in the background. It powers better stem separation, clear vocals, accurate chords, smart mastering. So basically AI Studio is the brain of the Moises. Over here in the Voice Studio, this focuses only on vocals. It helps you extract vocal cleanly, improve vocal clarity, practice singing with better control. In order to use a voice Studio, you can simply select Convert Voice over here. Over here, you can either drop your file or browse. If you want a mic recording, you can select to this. You can record right now by simply selecting to this record as well. Once processed, you can solo vocals, lower background music, practice pitch and timing. Some version also help with vocal isolation, clean vocal stem for the covers. And in the jam session here, it turns Moises into a practical partner. It helps musicians play along with tracks, practice rhythm and timing, repeat sections smoothly. So how to use it? You can load a separate track, mute or solo instrument over here. Loop feature, tempo control, practice freely like a live jam. Example, you can mute guitar, play along solo drums, practice timing. Then in the mastering, hover here. Mastering is the final sound polish. It makes audio louder, clearer, more balanced. Moises mastering uses AI to adjust levels automatically, improve overall sound quality. And how to use mastering is you can simply select new master here, upload a track over here, finish the editing or separation, choose mastering, let AI process the sound. No manual control needed. Moises does it automatically. Who needs mastering is over here Lyric Writer. This plugin helps you write songs, lyrics, get lyrics ideas, improve songwriting flow, and it's AI assisted creativity as well. And in order to use it, open the plugin section here, select this I acknowledge that I have read the disclaimer and start writing. Over here you can type a word to find a rhyme, style AI generated lyric suggestion. You can edit, rewrite, combine ideas. I'm going to type a word and search enter and select the song mood. And here you find the lines that you want. You can edit, rewrite, combine ideas. Best for songwriters, beginner in the music writing and creative blocks. Over here we could see the plugins. Plugins in Moises are extra AI tool that add special abilities on top of normal track separation. Think of it like the track separation, base feature, plugins, power-ups. They help you practice better, create smarter, write lyric, improve sound, organize music, and not everyone uses them, but once you understand them, Moises becomes way more powerful. And where do you find plugins here? And these plugins focus only on vocals. They help to isolate vocal clearly, reduce noises, practice singing, prepare vocal for the cover. You can upload a song, separate vocals, open the vocal control plugin, adjust the vocal volume, background instrument, clarity AI handled. Now the next thing is account setting. Over here on the bottom left, find your account here. Go to this account setting. Here you can control your profile, manage your subscription, change audio preference, handle privacy and security, control your notification. If you want to control your notification over here, go to this notification. If you want any notification you do not want to get notified with, you can simply toggle it off each time as per your preference as well, and you will not get the specific notification from the icon. And over here, go to this account setting. Here you can add your skills. You can simply type down what your skills are. You can also add your goals, what do you want to achieve from the Moises. And you can change your user ID if you want as well. And if you want to upgrade a plan, scroll a bit down until you find this upgrade plan. You can select do this. You can select your monthly or yearly package, and you can also start to processing your payment. And the last part is to logging out over here. And once you understand all of these features in the Moises, you can simply log out if you want to. For your security reasons, on the bottom left, there's your profile. You can select sign out here, and it will automatically take you to the dashboard of your login icon here. And Moises Audio is an AI-powered music tool that helps you upload songs, separate vocals, instruments, practice music. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or question, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.